All right, real quick, the answers to the lesson weren't too difficult. Just finding the second difference is the same in quadratics. But real quick, the letter A, this was the equation they gave you, and it is quadratic. Quadratic means you have an x squared as your highest power. And if I were to distribute this, I would get 2x squared plus 6x. So I could see that, sure enough, x squared is the highest power. And for another one on there, it looked like this, and it is also quadratic because this means I take x minus 2 times itself. So that's x minus 2 times x minus 2, and that's where we'd probably just use a generic rectangle and then multiply it out. So you get x squared minus 2x plus 4. So this is the same as x squared minus 4x plus 4, which again is quadratic because the highest power is a 2. So again, if we go back to the values of a, b, and c in the equation, um, for instance, the first one, the value of a is 2. And if I looked at the second difference was 4. Remember, a is always half the second difference. Another one on there that we just looked at is this one. The second difference is 2. And if I look at the equation, half of 2 is 1. That's why there's 1x squared. So again, that second difference is a nice way to find the value of a in your quadratic equation. All right, so the extension relates to, we can focus there, we go, relates to how in a linear equation, the first difference is always the same. In a quadratic equation, it's the second difference because of the power of 2. That means it's like multiplying two linear equations together. But what if we had something, this is not a quadratic equation because the highest power is 3. Okay, it won't give you that nice little parabola, but the differences still have a pattern. Because it's x to the third power, what that means is the third difference is going to be the same. So I just wanted to show that to you. So if I look at the first difference here, you get plus 7, and then from 29 to 8, it goes up 21, and then from 29 to 76, it goes up 47, and the next one, 161 minus 76, gives us 85. The next one, 296 minus 161, gives us 135. I'll just stop there for now. The second difference, then, so if it was linear, the first difference would be the same, which clearly they're not. The second difference from 21, from 7 up to 21 is going up 14. Then if you go to 47, it goes up 26. And then from 47 to 85, it goes up 38. And then from 85 to 135, it goes up 50. So if it was quadratic, this would be the same, but it's not again because it has a cube as the highest power. So now we'll do the third difference. If you go from 14 to 26, you're increasing by 12. And if you go from 26 to 38, you're increasing by 12. And if you go from 38 to 50, you increase by 12. So it's really neat how if you have the third power, your third difference is guaranteed to be the same as well. I also made one to the fourth power. So that means the fourth difference should be the same. Again, the highest power is the fourth power. So I completed the table here. Numbers get pretty big because it's a very high power. But if I look at the difference, we'll see the same thing. This goes up by 7. From 8 to 55, it goes up by 47. And then it jumps to 220, which has an increase of 165. Next increase is 409. Next increase is 827. We'll go another increase here. 2,923 minus 1,456 goes up 1,467. All right, so now we find the second difference. So that goes up by 40. 165 minus 47, it goes up 118. 409 minus 165 goes up 244. 827 minus 409 gives us 418. And then 1,467 minus 827 gives us 640. So again, the second difference is different, but it's not quadratic. Now we find the third difference, which is 78 here. 244 minus 118 is 126. 418 minus 244 is 174. And 640 minus 418, 222. So that'd be the third difference. That would be the same if the highest power was the third power, but it's the fourth power. So these now should be all the same. So it goes up by 48. If I take 126 plus 48, sure enough. If I take 174 plus 48, sure enough, and there you go, the fourth difference is the same because 4 is the highest power.